In this video, I'm going to show you how you can compare your videos screen by screen or side by side after you have edited it with the original one. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now I have here a video clip and I have just finished editing it, and I'd like to go ahead and compare the previous and the latest version. To do that, it's simple. Just head over here and then just right click anywhere and choose the option called compare color before and after. Then choose this option called side by side view. You can also choose split view left right or split view top right. So I like to go ahead and choose the split view side by side. And if I click on it, you can see now we have the two views of the videos. So if you play them side by side, you should be able to see the difference of before, and you can see it here, before and after. So that's how you can compare video clips side by side in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.